Hello, my dear friend. This is our instant electric water heater. We are doing the temperature testing. And right now, this is for the inlet water testing. Okay, our machine is not working. Okay, this inlet water is the 15 degree. Okay, we are setting temperature 40 degree. So we will see our instant electric water heater will be had very fast heating system. You can see that this hot water. Okay, 42. Yes, it's around 10 seconds. You can have hot water. Okay, you can see that. Yes. Okay, 42 degree. Yeah, 40 degree. 40 degree we're setting. And in this LED display will show the temperature of the hot water. Okay. Okay.